Hello, I'm Luke Hill with Bobcat Company. I'm here with our E35 R2 Series excavator equipped with Bobcat's Depth Check system. Depth Check is an operator assistance system that provides audible and visual guidance to the operator to help them achieve and/or sustain a user-assigned depth target. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Depth Check for minimal coverage applications. A great example of minimal coverage application is digging electric utility lines where a specific depth below ground level is needed, and the depth of the bottom of the trench follows the contour of the ground level. Before we begin, you can always refer to your operation and maintenance manual for more information on how to calibrate, navigate, and operate Depth Check. To begin a minimal coverage operation, I need to know what my target depth is. For today, I want my trench to be 24 inches deep, so I first need to set my target depth to 24 inches. Once target depth is set, I need to bench to establish my starting reference point. For minimal coverage, I'm only concerned with digging 24 inches below ground level, so I will bench with the bucket on ground level. An audible tone will sound when I bench the machine, and my display will tell me that I have a 24-inch distance to target. I am now free to begin digging. As I dig, it is best practice to take shallow, lengthy cycles to avoid over-digging, especially as you close in on your desired target. As the rate of the audible beeping increases, grade is approaching. Once I achieve the solid tone, I am on grade. The objective is to maintain the solid tone so the bottom of my trench stays on grade. Every time the tracks are moved, the operator must rebench. In minimal coverage applications, this is done by benching next to the trench at ground level. After rebenching, I'm free to continue digging my trench. Continue moving back as you finish each section of the trench until you've completed the entire trench. With minimal coverage, if the bench point changes elevation from the previous bench point, the elevation of the grade point will also change. Here are some tips for minimal coverage. If the operator needs to achieve loose grade results, adjusting the grade zone to a higher range would allow for more tolerance of the on-grade solid tone. If precision is needed, set a tight grade zone in the display. If the machine is on a slope, the grade of the trench will still be 0%. The slope of the ground that the machine is on does not impact the 0% grade in the trench. For more information, see your operation and maintenance manual, talk to your Bobcat dealer, or visit bobcat.com.